Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtkes, and in this video I want to show you what you can do with your guitar and what tones are sleeping within your guitar. You have a lot of knobs and electric things in your guitar, and you probably or maybe don't know what they're for actually. And the thing is, even the volume control, which you might already know and use, has a certain hidden feature, you might call it, because you can control the amount of distortion that you get from your amplifier. For now, I have a sound set up which sounds like this. Kind of like a crunchy rock or blues, whatever sound. And with the volume control, I can control the amount of gain I actually get from my amp. Because when I turn it down, it's not only the volume going down, it's more the gain which is going away. It's getting a little bit more mellow. And this is a cool feature if you're playing like kind of a rhythm. You have a verse and a chorus thing, and you can boost your chorus there by giving more gain, more volume. And this is very nice and very dynamic, and especially you can use it for solos too, of course. You start out with full volume. Bring it down. So you have a lot of dynamic range just within one knob, and just a tiny hair changes a lot. And then you have another option, of course. Use your pickup selector. Some people even don't know what it's for. Right now on this guitar is kind of like a Strat style guitar. When the selector is set like this pickup is on. Pretty trebly and bitey. The straight opposite is the neck pickup. Therefore I go on the opposite side of the selector. Again, bridge. Neck pickup. And then you have one more pickup sometimes. Maybe you just have two, that's also fine. But if you have a middle pickup, you can select that one on the third position of the selector. This is somewhere in between, not that bassy and not that edgy at the same time. And see, bridge, middle position, and neck. So a lot of sonic diversity here, and we have on this guitar, or like on nearly every Strat out there, we have, or on Tellies of course too, which has two pickups, and you can combine those pickups. On the second position, so this position is like this pickup, the next position, the second position, is those two pickups, and it sounds like this. Know that sound, don't you? The next position is the middle pickup, and then we have on the fourth position the neck and the middle pickup. You see, you have so many different styles in there, of course also depending on how hard you hit the strings, but for your solo playing This is very interesting to understand because I mean, you can play with yourself there and saying you can play so many things just with the hit of a pickup selector or playing with your volume knob there. And those two other knobs here are tone knobs, which actually can blend out the treble frequencies. This one works for the middle and the neck pickup on this guitar, and this one for the bridge pickup. Let's check that out. Bridge pickup. Turned down, and everything in between. If your pickup feels too edgy for your amplifier or for the location you're playing in, to your taste, just take away some treble. And the same goes for that knob here, which works for the middle and the neck pickup. And this one is a special sound because the fully turned down tone knob on the neck pickup is pretty common by a player, for example, like Carlos Santana or Slash, for example. The so-called woman tone, I think because it actually sounds like a voice. It's funny, it sounds like a singing voice, and this is a very common sound in rock or blues history. So make sure you know how to use your actual guitar and the electronics that are already built in, and you have so many options going on. I mean, at least the volume knob is such a cool thing to have dynamics going on in your rhythm or in your solo playing, of course, too. And the pickup selector itself is such a strong tool. You should actually check it out and get comfortable with using it. So thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Bye.